Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to stake Ethereum 2.0, so let's start. First of all, in order to stake Ethereum 2.0, we will need to have a Binance account, so if you don't have a Binance account yet, you will find a link in the description of this video, so all you have to do is click on the link, create your free account, and as you probably already know, Binance is the best centralized exchange to trade crypto. You can be anonymous, they don't require KYC, and you can withdraw up to 2 Bitcoin per 24 hours, so I think this is enough for most of you. So once you create your account, you need to log into Binance, and as soon as you do this, from the menu up here, we need to click on Finance, and then we need to go to Binance Earn. Once we get to Binance Earn, scroll down until you see Fixed Terms, and then under Fixed Terms there is ETH 2.0 staking, so click on it. This will open a new tab, and over here you can read some crucial information about Ethereum 2.0 staking. And very important thing, over here on the right side we have estimated rewards per year. So over here, as you can see, we are in this point over here right now where rewards for staking Ethereum are around 10% per year. That means if you stake 10 Ethereum, after 1 year you will have extra 1 Ethereum for staking it. So once we get over here, we need to click on Stake Now, and then over here we need to type in the stake amount. And you need to know that here you don't need to stake 32 Ethereum, you can stake any amount you want. It can be, for example, 0.0005 Ethereum. That's fine as well. So let me maybe type over here 0.005 Ethereum, just to show you that you can stake small amounts of Ethereum as well. And then over here we've got some very important notes that you should read. So let me read this for you and explain what does it mean. So first of all, your staked Ethereum will be locked during the first phase of Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. During this lockup period, your staked Ethereum cannot be redeemed. So first note says basically what I just read, that you cannot redeem your Ethereum until the first phase of Ethereum 2.0 will go live. So make sure that you will stake Ethereum that you don't need, because you won't be able to withdraw it for the next 12, 24 or maybe even 36 months. Because note number 2 says that you will be able to redeem your staked Ethereum when the first phase of Ethereum 2.0 is complete, and that could take up to 24 months. Of course, they planned to introduce phase 1 in around a year. However, as far as we know, in the past there were some delays whenever there was a deadline, so it could take up to 24 months and maybe even 36 months. So make sure that you don't stake Ethereum that you may need in 3 or 4 months, because you won't be able to redeem it. So that's very important. Don't stake Ethereum that you cannot lock for 24 months at least. And then we've got point number 3 is B Ethereum is a tokenized asset representing your staked Ethereum on a 1-to-1 basis, and Binance will distribute the B Ethereum to your spot account. That means if you stake Ethereum, if you stake 1 Ethereum, you will receive 1 B Ethereum. B Ethereum stands most likely for Binance Ethereum. And then we've got next information that you can swap your Binance Ethereum or B Ethereum back to Ethereum after the completion of the first phase. And please note that you will receive Ethereum equal to your B Ethereum holdings at the time of the swap. So the B Ethereum will get to your spot account. You can send it to your external wallet. But after Ethereum 2.0 phase 1 is introduced and goes live, you need to have all your B Ethereum in order to redeem your staked Ethereum, including rewards. So if you trade, if you try to get more B Ethereum, good for you, but have in mind that if you lose it, you won't be able to redeem your Ethereum that you locked up for staking. So that being said, make sure that you understand all the points over here. You can click confirm, and then you need to tick those boxes that you understand the risks, that you understand that your Ethereum will be locked for 24 months and you won't be able to redeem it earlier. Once you get all of this checked, you click confirm, and now as we can see, staked was successful and we just staked 0.005 Ethereum, for example. If you want to see how much Ethereum did you earn or how much Ethereum are you staking, you can click over here on view stake records. and this will take you to Ethereum 2.0 stake history. And over here we can see how much Ethereum did we stake during the last month. Of course you can change the dates over here. And if you want to get to this page, you can also click up here on orders, earn history, and then over here from the menu on the left side, ETH 2.0. Yeah, so here you can check how much are you staking at the moment. Also, you can check on your spot account how much B Ethereum you've got. This is the amount of Ethereum you're staking basically. And if you click on distribution over here, you can see how many rewards for staking did you already get. So as you can see over here, we've got token that is B Ethereum, and then over here we can see the amount of Ethereum that we're getting and when did we get it. So as you can see, we get staking rewards pretty much every day, sometimes even twice a day. So this is how you can stake Ethereum, this is how you can check how much staking rewards did you already get. And that would be it for today. Please let me know in the comments if you managed to stake Ethereum on Binance, or maybe you're trying to stake it on any other website. Please let me know where are you staking Ethereum. And remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.